how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe at your place. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a really amazing and awesome product, and it really has that wow factor in it. And yes, I told you, wow factor of course is going to be from Wow Skin Science India. So Wow Skin Science India has recently launched their product. It's Wow Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner. So today in this video I'm going to talk about this product and I'm going to give you the detailed review about this product. Vitamin C, as you can see, okay, Vitamin C is the powerhouse of antioxidant, right? You all must be knowing this already. So I'm going to give you this product detailed in this video, so keep on watching till the last. I will be really happy if you just take some time and like, share and subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started and talk about this product in detail. Alright, so skin toner is the second step of our beauty routine after cleansing. The toner helps to minimize the pores, remove extra oil, dirt and maintain the pH balance of the skin. Than any other toners, Vitamin C toner is much more effective because it is high in antioxidant. It helps to control the excess oil, keeps your skin fresh and hydrated throughout the day. Wow Skin Science Vitamin C toner does not dry out your skin. It gives the skin a complete hydration and make it soft and smooth. This Wow Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner helps to brighten the skin. Vitamin C is a powerhouse of antioxidant, as you all know, and that even out the skin. You can use it anytime, but Vitamin C is very effective on the skin after the sunset. And this Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner of Wow Skin Science price is 399 rupees for 200 ml of the product. The shelf life is 2 years from the manufacturing date. I provide the link in the description below so you can go and check it out. And let's talk about the packaging of the product. Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Toner comes in a beautiful cardboard box and the actual product comes under it. This is a plastic spray bottle like the other mist toner of the Wow Skin Science. The bottle of the Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner is transparent brown in color. All the product details are written in the bottle and in the cardboard also. So the pump is working really well and the spray nozzle is covered by a transparent white color plastic cap. Overall the packaging is very handy and easy to use, and it's also a travel friendly product. Continuous use of this product can help to enhance your skin, making it supple and soft and non-oily. And this mist toner is made in Himalayas and is 100% vegan, gluten-free and cruelty-free. It has no silicone, mineral oil or paraben and color, and it's dermatologically tested and is suitable for all skin types. Results may vary depending upon your skin conditions. And here you can see the QR code given in this product. Actually, this QR code is given in each and every Wow Skin Science products so that you can scan the QR code and check the originality of the product. Isn't it amazing? Apply this toner. Firstly, you need to cleanse your face. Alright, now keep this bottle few inches away from your face. Close your eyes and wait. And spray it all over your face like so. Okay, and now simply just apply to your skin and that's it. It helps to cleanse your skin by removing the makeup residue your face has, and it also helps to, smoothens and soft, to make your skin very soft and supple. Guys, I'm reviewing this product after using it for like 1.5 months and it works really good. And yeah, it gives the freshness and it also brightens your skin. Previously I have used many skin mist toner but never satisfied with any of them, but definitely this vitamin C Wow Skin Science Skin Mist Toner, it's really working well. But I can't say how much this vitamin C toner works for a sensitive and acne prone skin, because thankfully I don't have any acne on my face and I have the dry to combination skin, and it really worked well in my skin. I don't know how it's gonna work for sensitive and acne prone skin, but I will definitely recommend this product to everyone. You should give it a try once, but I would suggest you to do a patch test before using it. Okay, so you have to do a patch test, only then you use, otherwise don't use. Yeah, that was it about this product. I hope you guys like it. I will provide this product link in my description below so you can go and check it out. And you have any doubts regarding this product, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be really happy to answer all of them. And yeah. Okay, one more important thing which I want to say is Wow has recently launched their app. Okay, so you can download the app. I will provide the app link in the description below so you can go and download. It's really easy to shop from Wow's official app and you'll get amazing discount, amazing deals. So don't forget to check it out. I'll provide the link in the description below. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.